channel Manimanthan Konda. I am back with another exciting video of a science experiment. Do you know what are we gonna do today? We are going to make a science experiment on neutralization process. First of all, what is neutralization? When you add an acid along with a base, then we get H2O along with the salt. H2O is nothing but water. And now let's see this process. What we do? We need a spoon, some turmeric. Turmeric is a natural indicator which tells us if it's acid or base. And now a bowl of water, lemon which has citric acid, so I've chosen lemon, detergent powder which is base. So now let's head to the experiment. So firstly, add some turmeric to the water. Half a cup is good. Now mix it. Make sure that there are no lumps. Yeah. Now it's clear. Okay. Now add some detergent to it. See, it's yellow color but I didn't add any detergent to it. Now let's see what happens. Now I'm adding the detergent. See, it's turning into red. Now stir it so that we can see the results clearly. See, it's red as a ketchup, right? See, when you add turmeric and detergent, turmeric is actually a natural indicator and detergent is a base. So when you add a natural indicator along with the base, which is turmeric, then we get red color. So as you can see, the color is red. Now let's see what happens if we add the lemon to it. Squeeze it. It's turning back to yellow. Done squeezing? Now let's stir it again. See, it's yellow. But there is a slight change. See, when we added turmeric before, there was H2O plus turmeric. But now, what's there inside is, we have H2O, turmeric and some salt. Now, that's the salt. Okay, so this is the experiment. So today's shout out goes to NOob SCienCE. NOob SCienCE is a great channel which I've checked out in YouTube. And the shout out today goes to him. Bye. Have a good day. Make sure to like, share and subscribe my channel.